Sheesh. I don't know if you guys are into tempura and sushi, but damn. This is a salmon, by the way. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Marky Mark here. Today I have a very special video for you guys. I am actually gonna show you guys what I ordered to upgrade my content for this channel. But before I get started, I've been getting asked how many hats do I have, and to be honest, quite a few. You know, I don't really want to go through all of them, but I feel like I need to shout out this company here. It's called the Cap Box. If you guys can actually see that. I mean, I'm not sponsored or anything, but this is the best cases for these hats because you could literally, like, you know, open it and no dust, nothing. And I feel like that's actually perfect for me. I love being neat, you know, and regardless, you know, being clean and everything works well for me. But regardless of that, I'm in my room right now. The reason why is because I could just grab this real quick. I got a box. I got a big box. I'm about to do an unopening for this box. It has my new equipment for this channel. I just wanted to go invest for you guys, and I feel like it's time, and I deserve it, you guys deserve it. So I'm pretty excited, I'm pretty hyped, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna take you guys an unboxing, and I'm also gonna take you guys with me real quick to go get some food because I'm pretty hungry. But before we get this video started, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys are interested in looking at this, let me bring this down. We broke like 2,100 subscribers. That's pretty crazy. So pretty excited. Let's keep this train going, you know. So I just want to say thank you guys. But if you guys are new, my name is Mark, and I'm ready to move forward with this channel. So I hope you guys are gonna, you know, subscribe down below and go follow me in this journey. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So I'm gonna be doing my unboxing here in the garage because it's pretty loud inside the house right now. But I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up getting. It is, let's grab this. It is the EOS Rebel T8i, and for this camera, I mean, I don't really gotta, let's leave this here. I don't really gotta show you guys much. I mean, I'm sure you guys watched a lot of camera reviews. The reason why I went with this camera, because I'm actually gonna start doing a lot more like reaction videos in a way, but not just like the basic reactions. I'm gonna try to switch it up for you guys. I'm still gonna be doing some vlogging, but just switch it up, you know, because I want to upload a lot more. And instead of just leaving the house, if I could just, you know, stay inside and record the video for you guys, I'm actually gonna do it. So what do you guys think? Comment down below what type of videos I should actually do. I'm pretty excited, to be honest with you, because this is a first big purchase for this channel. You know, I'm investing into something that I actually want to start doing and pursue. So I mean, yeah, so everything is here. I bought it brand new. I don't really want to open it yet. I'd rather open it myself and just get everything sorted out and figured it out, because my camera right now is just the G7X Mark II, and it's a very decent camera, to be honest with you. I love the camera to death. The thing is though, in previous videos when I was actually doing like photo shoots and all that stuff, you guys can hear from the wind, or even me just talking, like the wind is just messing it up, and I don't like that, you know. And I told you guys that I was going to upgrade my equipment, so what better way to do it than doing this, you know. If you guys weren't up to date, sold my Type R. That was from the previous video. Right now, literally just daily driving this M3, and you know, it's grown to me, you know. I love the car. It just makes me not really want to do too much to the car, because, you know, when you daily drive a car, of course you want to make it look nice, but you don't really want to put too much expensive parts into it, because there's a high chance it could get messed up. So I wasn't really gonna bring it up, but what happened was I bought a lip for this car. I'm sure I teased you guys for a while that I bought the lip. what happened was me and my friend installed it, and I don't know. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna blame so-and-so. I'm not gonna blame myself. It was just, we kind of just rushed the installation because we didn't really want to do it. I just wanted it on, but I kind of cheaped out on that lip. It was the M Performance lip, and I just did not want to spend too much. But when I installed the lip, I didn't like it. So I told myself, okay, well, I'm gonna deal with it. You know, I'll probably put a picture. I'll show you guys what it looked like. I was like, I'll just deal with it. I mean, it's an expensive lip. Other than it being carbon fiber, it's still like $700, you know. So I installed it. The very next day, I was driving a Hercules. I was in the freeway and had a big bump. I hit something, I don't know. That lip flew out. It fucking flew. And I was like, wow, are you kidding me? Like, I was more shocked that I can't believe that happened. I didn't even stop to look back. I didn't even stop. I was just ready to just, okay, I guess it just wasn't meant to be. It did suck because, you know, $700, you just like threw it away. And I took time to install it. So just thinking about how much of a waste that is, I'm just like, man. But whatever. Gonna move forward. I'm gonna buy a better lip and be more smarter about it for sure. Installing it, I'm not gonna be stupid. But if you guys F with this hat, I've been into the hat game lately. I'm not even gonna lie with you guys. For me, I'm that type of person to where if I find something very like nice and I end up addicting to it, I'm just gonna end up like just going full force to it, to be honest with you. So that's probably why you guys always see me with different hats. I'm into the fitted game now, to be honest with you. I've been stepping up my game. I'll probably show you guys like a collection video, probably, even with my shoes. I don't know. If you guys are interested with that, probably create more content for you guys. Comment down below. I mean, I'm really motivated now to make more content, the best content for you guys, and, you know, just get this channel to go up, you know. And if you guys haven't followed me on my Instagrams, I'll comment it down below at amarkymark, as well as, you know, if you want to follow my TikToks, the same thing with an extra K. Because I don't know, whoever took my username in TikTok, you want to sell it to me? Just kidding. But regardless, I'll let you guys come with me to go get my food because I'm starving right now. So let's go. All right, so I am inside my M3 right now. We are driving to, it's called Tokyo in Beijing. It's literally like probably 5 minutes away from my house. I just wanted to eat something quick, nothing too fatty, even though that is pretty fatty. I've actually just been craving Japanese food, to be honest with you. But regardless of that, I'm pretty excited for the new camera. I feel like just getting new equipment to support myself and motivate myself to make more videos for this channel is also going to benefit not just me, but for you guys as well. I'm trying to change my mentality, and to be honest with you, it's like I think it's time for change, and this type of good change is something that I want to see myself grow, and I hopefully, like, it's gonna be worth it in the long run, you know. It's very exciting, very exciting. So I mean, I just feel like I had a route that I wanted to do, but I mean, you know, you could always just go from point A to point B, but then you don't realize all the obstacles that you're gonna go through, you know. So here's to new beginnings. I'm so happy that I got my new camera. I'm gonna be, after eating, I'm probably just gonna start trying to learn like how to use it a lot more, to be honest with you. Because that's the thing, like with this G7X, I kind of just got the glimpse of it, and it's not like I never really like looked into the settings. Because for me, to be honest, I'm a car guy. I'm not really a camera guy, you know. Like, oh, see, look, I'm not even in the right angle. But I'm not a camera guy to be looking at like settings and trying to get into that. But regardless of all that, I'm gonna try to learn, diverse my mentality, and that's the way it is. So I'm pretty much just gonna be on my way to go eat, get food. I just wanted to give you guys a little update of what just happened. Pretty stoked, pretty happy that I got my camera. I got my motivation back to do YouTube, and to be honest, it's like I feel fresh again, you know. I feel fresh. I feel like I want to keep this momentum going. So hope you guys can leave, you know, the positivity and spread it, because that's what I just try to do. You know, I try not to hand out any negatives to anyone. You should know, for the people that have been messaging me as well, reaching out to me, asking questions, you know, like I see it, I hear you guys, I know I don't want you guys to feel alone, nothing. So that's it. That's it pretty much for the video. I'm just gonna go get my food. I'm so hungry, to be honest with you guys, so I'm ready to go chow down, and yeah, just chow down. But here's the new beginnings, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, like I said, support it by subscribing down below. And if you guys end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Are you guys excited? Are you guys happy? I'm not gonna be quitting YouTube. I really want to go push this channel forward and see where it could lead me. So I really hope for the best, and I hope you guys wish me the best as well. I greatly appreciate it. But that's it. I don't even know, I just had like a brain fart, but I'll just leave it right there, right? So this is A Marky Mark. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in